In today's video, I'll show you how to create group appointments in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want multiple clients to book the same time slot for workshops, classes, or group sessions, this setup is exactly what you need. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left side menu. This is where you manage all your services. Now click on Create New Appointment Type, or select an existing service that you want to turn into a group session. Next, set the basic details like the name of the appointment, duration, and price. For example, you might name it Group Coaching Session or Online Workshop. After that, look for the option related to group bookings or multiple clients per time slot. Enable the setting that allows more than one client to book the same appointment time. Now set the maximum number of participants. This controls how many people can join each session. For example, you can allow 5, 10, or 20 clients depending on your capacity. Next, choose your availability so the class runs at specific times or on a recurring schedule. You can also adjust buffer time if you need preparation before or after each group session. Once everything is set, click Save to activate your group appointment. Now your clients will be able to book the same time slot until the participant limit is reached. Before finishing, test your booking page to ensure multiple users can successfully reserve the same session. And that's it. You've successfully created group appointments in Acuity Scheduling and enabled shared booking sessions for your clients. And that's how you create group appointments in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.